Next up here, I have MO Altria. This is the tobacco company I've had a couple of times here recently on my watch list. Not necessarily a hammer candle, but I do really like the pattern it's setting up here. Basically a longer term flag pattern. Got here the weekly time frame. It does not look like a flag here. However, on the daily, it's very noticeable. In addition to this daily pattern moving up here, now we're getting a little bit of triangle, which is a consolidation pattern, not a reversal pattern. We did have a substantial amount of volume on Friday, so there was a battle going on. Who's going to win is ultimately yet to be decided. What I'm seeing here on the intraday time frame, go to a little bit larger time frame here, is basically an ascending triangle. You have the set in kind of the top here around 75.35. Broke above, failed, came back down, broke above, failed, come back down. It has not put in a new low yet. The more times it tests this level, means one of two things. Either this is going to be a much stronger resistance, or it's ultimately going to fail, and anyone who shorted this level is going to have to close, compounding the buying pressure and pushing it up much higher. And there's a measurement of it. This flag does confirm from 71 to 75.5, so I'll call that a $4.50 move from any noticeable breakout point, which could potentially be 75.30. So the price target of about $79.50 to $80. I will also throw a trend line on here, because it does look to be holding fairly strong. This is from the previous 2 points of price discovery based on these tails. There's a bit more of an intermediate trend here, which, as you can see, once established, held well above it, showed strength, and now it's continuing higher. So with that in mind, I will be looking for a move above 75.35 and probably a stop. I'd like to say just outside of this trend line, but I want to take a breakout type of trade, so I will keep my stop up here just below. If it does fail as a breakout, I'll get out real quick, and look for a support entry down here. And if it does fail to hold these, I will keep these lines on my chart, because if it fails, comes back below, any move back above, I will jump in real quick as a false breakdown with my stop loss just below here. For a continuation higher, I will be looking for a target, instead of about 79 over the next couple of coming days. We may turn this into a swing trade, and we'll see what happens with MO.